Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or if you've been watching my videos, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make sesame crackers. This recipe is really great and goes well with like hummus or any other sort of dip. And it's pretty easy, so I'm really excited to share it with you.
Add the warm water and yeast to a large bowl. Let sit on the counter for a few minutes. Add the bread flour, all-purpose flour, and whole wheat flour. Add the salt. Mix with either a bench scraper or your hand. On a clean surface, pour the sesame oil over the dough. Knead for 5 minutes, making sure to work all the oil into the dough. Place the dough in a large, clean bowl. Cover and chill for 1 to 2 hours. Roll the dough out on a lined baking sheet until the dough covers the tray. Dock the dough with a fork to prevent large air bubbles from forming. Chill for 30 minutes. Spray lightly with water. Coat with sesame seeds and sea salt. Bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until the crackers are evenly brown.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you like this recipe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I do regular videos on how to make different types of bread. You can also leave a comment down below or follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. I'll see y'all next week.